Let's make real ramen, restaurant style. Let's start by making the chicken stock for the broth. Bone the chicken, trim the ends of your bok choy spring onion and some fresh ginger. Add them to a pot of water and let it simmer away for half an hour. Slice the remaining spring onion and bok choy and set aside. Boil the eggs for 6 minutes. Season your chicken and fry it in a hot oiled pan until crispy. Drain the stock. Add a tablespoon of miso paste. Add the noodles and the bok choy to the broth. Cover it and set aside to cook until al dente. Now it's time to plate. There you have it. Restaurant style ramen. Bon appetit.